Yo, previously on Color Culture. Peace.
What does that say, Lokes? I don't got much time. I'm at the movie theater, you can see. I'm running out of sunlight like normal. We're just gonna keep on doing what we do, guys. I can't let that get me down, and it got me down. I mean, let's just say it. These shoes are pretty much That's right, I said it.
Yo, peace and love, guys. It's your boy Colo back with another video. This is a retail versed, a gifted pair. I got these from a gifter from a company that rhymes with hits for days. I think you guys know who I'm talking about. We have the dark Mochas. I've already done a video about this before. Made a mess out of them, and I requested that somebody send me another pair, and the gifter did. So let's just jump right into it. I'll first show you the gifted pair, and there they are. The shoe is just extremely beautiful. I thought when they first were releasing these would have been a little different. Like, I think there was gonna be a Mocha where the black pieces are, like on the original design, but they were changed to this, I think. So this shoe is kind of like, people call it the poor man's Travis Scott. I totally disagree with that. It's nothing like a Travis Scott. Just because it has Mocha in the name doesn't make it a Travis Scott. The Travis Scott is constructed totally differently, and it has way more going on with it. But that doesn't mean I don't like this pair. I love the pair. That's why I want another pair. So shout out to Corey Ard for getting me the retail pair, which is a 10.5. I'll be comparing that with a 9.5. So that's like 2 sizes smaller, but they're very close, and you can barely tell. I had to really keep my eye on what pair I had in my hand. So I'll do a quick little once over. What is that? What is that? I'm just gonna chalk that up to some box mess or something. I don't know what that is, but of course I'm not gonna sit here and finger around with the suede and I'm sick of doing that. You already know the suede looks good. You can see it right there. It's very smooth. And man, let's just go ahead and bust out the other pair so we can get into this comparison. So this is a 10.5. I think that says they went for $190. I can't really see it. I'm a little spoiled. I just get them sent to me, so I don't really know the prices. It's usually $190, $200, $225, or maybe that says $170. I don't know. Who cares? But I had to pull the box top out. There's a YDM on the top. I've never really seen that. That was the retail box top, and this paper feels different. It feels softer, a little fuzzier. The other pairs didn't feel that way. It doesn't really matter. It's just paper. Just noting that it feels different. So taking a look at this pair, and one thing I noticed right off the bat, I always notice something right off the bat. You can see that it's more arched up, and I think I just went with this with the Travis Scott 1 video before this one. They have different arches. Now this pair at the bottom, the gifted pair, is not as arched. And again, I don't know if that's because it's a 2 size smaller or 2 sizes down, but that's just something to note. Now, as far as the leather quality, I'm trying to mess with the light here so you can actually see this white leather here. And here we go. You gotta kind of get it low because the brighter the material, it'll blow out the camera, but it's very smooth. It's very, very, very smooth. I can't touch on the suede because this pair is not mine, and I do have to return them when I'm done with this review. But I just want to give you a close-up of some of the details of the retail pair. They look great. Now on the back, that white stitching looks a little different on both of them. They both have a really nice hourglass shape. And I mean, the suede on the back to me looks identical. The one in the gifted pair looks a little bit more transitional, but that's probably because I was messing with it when I first got it. So this is the gifted pair. This is the retail pair. You guys be the judge. And I always look at that little point. This is the retail pair. That's the gifted. It looks a little lower. Remember, 2 sizes smaller. And man, it's just so hard to pick out some of these differences on this pair. I mean, when you're dealing with, oh, wait a minute. Okay, so look at the Wings logo. Look how far that is. Just kind of note the difference. And I'm gonna try to pull this gifted pair up right behind it. It's so hard filming 2 shoes in your hand. But look how the gifted pair, it's a little closer to the white. And Again, not sure if that's just a flaw. I don't really care. But that's just something I noticed while doing this. And the more and more you stare at the shoes, you're going to notice little differences. Now, the toe boxes, I will admit the toe box leather quality on these particular 2 batches, it looks better on the gifted pair. Now, look at that. It just has more texture to it. It's really hard to show this on camera and try to get in there, but yes, more texture. Retail pair, not as much texture. And they look like if you walked in these for about an hour, these would probably crease up. It's hard to say, but these look like they'd crease up a little bit more easier than the gifted pair. Look at that. And you got to have these both in hand to really, really see the details. But that's just one thing that I noticed. Let's keep going. And the black light. The black light was pretty interesting because right when I was thinking there's nothing to find here, there was something to find. You'll see it here in a minute. There's not really any glue pockets on the gifted pair that I have in my hand. Everything's checking out. Everything's smooth. Here's the other shoe. A little bit of little glue right there, but that's really nothing. I've seen worse on retails, but let's see. On the tongue, you're always going to see those little white dots on the tongue. That's just the nature of the stitching. The brighter the stitching, the more it'll stand out on the black light. Now, whoa. Now, the midsoles are totally different colors. And I've seen this before. I think it was on the Royal Toes I went through this. But yeah, you can definitely tell the midsole is 2 different colors. I don't know why. I don't know if the gifted pair used the wrong midsole or just something different. I have no idea. And these have ink in them. And I was told the ink is no big deal. I've seen that on gifted pairs. I've seen that on retail pairs. So it's hit or miss on either one. I've seen it on Travis 1s. Anything you can think of, I've seen it on Air Jordan 1s. But these both check out. It's just the midsole's 2 different colors. Like, look at this. It's day and night. It's almost like it's a bit more greenish, or that sail midsole just stands out better on the black light. The other one just looks purple. So you guys be the judge. Yeah?
Yo, peace and love, guys. As you can see, I'm back. This is the place that I messed my shoes up the first time. Yo. I just stepped in something crazy. Look at this. Oh, I can't take my shoe off. Like, what is that? Come on, man. Oh, make sure I'm good here. There we go. But the truth is, I love this alley. You know what I'm saying? It's beautiful artwork. Peace and love to you guys too. I haven't already said that. And you know, this is just a really good spot to shoot. I don't have my tripod. I'm low on resources today. And to tell you the truth, I lost the tripod. I have no idea where my tripod is at, and it's killing me. It's just killing me. Like, I looked for about 30 minutes before I left. No tripod. That's 2 tripods I've lost. I got 1 battery. I'm just low on resources today, guys, but it's okay. I got an early start. It's like, I think my watch is even dead. So I know it's close to like 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time here in Colorado. I don't even have a hat. I mean, what's going on today? Funny thing is, I actually have the drone, so I'll probably get the drone up. Yeah, I'll get the drone up. That's the least I can do. I can't figure out what kind of business this is right behind me. Like, they've got cameras. I mean, they're watching me right now. There's a camera up there. There's a camera up there. So they are watching me, but who cares? You guys are watching me, so it is what it is. Wait a minute. So I do got one. I gotta stop losing my gear, man. It's starting to really get to me. Can y'all see me? I got these glasses on. I can't even see myself. Ugh. A little bit better. And the funny thing is, the last time I was down here, that's where that guy got arrested. We were in that other alley. That is actually the last time I used a tripod. We pulled over. Cops everywhere. Saw this dude walk across us while we were parked, right? And we didn't even know he was the guy. And then he crossed the street. The cops came in droves across the street. They grabbed them right over there. And I have no idea where the tripod is. I mean, I looked everywhere for this thing. And that's why I haven't been using it, because I subconsciously knew that I lost it. So I really didn't feel like looking for it. And today I was like, you know what, I'm going back to that alley. Just can't find it. And I probably shouldn't be sitting like this, because that stuff, it looks like it's dried up now. They're doing some more construction. I don't know what's going on. Let's go take a look. Look at this. Look at the mess, though. This is the mess. That's the stuff right here, but it's all dried up. It's all dry. What the heck are they doing back here? Sounds like it's coming from over there. What is over here? Oh. Oh, wow. Hold on, you guys see that? Okay. It says, I don't know. You know, the funny thing is, I asked for another pair of these, and hey, a company that rhymes with hits for days sent these to me. So much love to you guys. And the other company that sent me the first pair that rhymes with Nipsey sent me those. So shout out to both of you guys. I really, 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 really appreciate that. I really do. I really do. I wouldn't be in this alley if you guys didn't send me this pair of kicks. Now, when I was comparing them to the retails, that bottom midsole that came up in the black light, man, I don't care about that. I mean, these look fire on my feet, don't they? Don't they? It's just beautiful artwork. I should have brought Homage out here with me too. He called me when I was looking for my tripods and all that, so I wasn't like in the best mood. I'm still not really in the best mood. I'm just gonna get the drone up. That's it. No B-roll lens shots today. I didn't bring the B-roll lens. I was scrambling too much. So it is what, and you know what? You guys probably don't even really notice or care when I'm using this lens or that lens. You're like, just make the damn video. You know what I'm saying? And I get it. I've been using my phone too. You guys probably don't realize when I'm using my phone. All right, let's get the drone up. Let me put this back down. Let's get the drone up. All right. I think I can get it up real quick. I got a little bit of battery of the drone. Let's get it up. Come on. Ooh, got a little bit of, look at the battery. That's a little bit, but we can do it. Lift off. Guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up, guys. You see what kind of day it is, you know what I'm saying? It's just one of them days, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video, subscribe, watch all my old stuff, spend some time with yourself, you'll never be alone, right? All right, peace out, guys. One. And yeah, I didn't make a mess out of my shoes today. Mission accomplished. That's the stuff. Yep, that's the stuff. Someone's gonna come back here and pick this up, man. Don't be littering like here back here, man. Come on, don't be littering.